Alright, welcome back to Suitestamps. Alright, so this is what's going on downstairs outside of our apartment. We live above a mall that has the Walmart in it. Blah, blah, blah. This is typical China at night. They come out to do their activities because they are not messing with that sun. Alright, so this is the mall right here. And those buildings, one of those are the ones we live in. Actually, the one in the middle, that's the one we live in, and we live on the 57th floor, and there are a total 60 floors. Yes, 57, you read that right. Alright, so there are two ways you can get access into our apartment. The owner gave us a key fob. You can use that, scan it to get in, or you create a 6-digit passcode if you forget your key. So that's pretty convenient because nobody's trying to be jingling around these places. Alright, before we go in, I want to show you guys our trash area, I guess, we share with our neighbors. So there isn't a trash chute, there's just a ta-da trash can. So anyways, we have valet trash. They pick it up every day, and we share with our one neighbor this trash can. And they're pretty good about it. They haven't missed any days, so it doesn't stink. Also, before you enter into our home, you must take your shoes off. Alright, so this is how it looks when you open the door. And directly to the left, ta-da! We have our kitchen. So they kind of keep kitchens inside of rooms with doors. It's not like an open plan concept. Interesting. So that's our oven. It's on top of our 5-foot refrigerator. And ovens are not standard here in China, so we had to purchase that from Walmart. So here we have our seasonings, because you know a sister and a brother gotta have that food tasting right. Above we have our teas, burdock, dandelion, so many types of teas. We are so Chinese. When you come to our house, we do not offer beer or wine. We offer tea, baby. And I'm just showing you guys, well, he's just showing you guys, I'm just talking about it, some storage space. See all that soy sauce up there? Always got to have that Jiangyo. Actually, soy sauce was the first Chinese word I learned after ni hao. Ni hao. Important. Alright, so this is our 3-range gas stove, I guess, and some storage underneath. Here we have also is where we turn off our gas every time we finish cooking, because ain't nobody trying to blow up. Okay, so this looks like an oven, but psych, it's a dish dryer. Again, ovens are luxuries and they do not come standard. And that's me annoying him as always in the kitchen. Alright, as we move on, so now we are walking down a little more, and here we have our dining slash living room. We have our tables. Saray has her high chair we got from IKEA. And that's her little plate area. We got the humidifier with the essential oils going, because you know we got to keep that air fresh, especially with all the pollution that we have on some days here. Oh yeah, I want to say that our apartment came fully furnished, including the TV and all this furniture. We only purchased what we wanted to, which was not much, because they get you straight before you move in. Oh, and we are the first people to live in this apartment, so everything is brand spanking new. That's our water machine over there. We get water delivered because we are bougie. Anyways, this is our balcony. Again, we live on the 57th floor. I wanted to give y'all a shot of how it looks at in the daytime. And that's just Serrano pointing to the lake and the huge park over there that we go walking in. And also the football field is like literally right there. Let's see. So that's pretty cool. We live high up, so if you have acrophobia, don't go on our balcony. So this is where we dry our clothes on the second main balcony. You pretty much just roll this thing down, old school style, hang your clothes up and roll it back up. On the other balcony that was attached to the kitchen that had the washer, because yeah, they had the washer. Again, dryers, ovens, those are luxuries here, so most homes do not come with that. So yep, we hang our clothes out here just like the locals. They dry. They usually take 2 days and they end up being crunchy. Look at that view though. Like, we can see the whole city of Foshan, at least when it's not smoggy like that. So this is the hallway, and to the left we have our one full bathroom. It's a stand-up shower. We have our, everything's pretty standard. Yay, toilets. And then in our first bedroom, we actually made it into an office because it's quite small. So this is a table we purchased from IKEA like 2 years ago, and we just brought it with us. This is one of the lights that I use sometimes um, for photography. And this is my favorite purchase ever. I bought it off of Bao Pals, um, the English version of Taobao. Anyways, this is a little zoom in of where we are. You see Hong Kong and then Guangzhou. Foshan is like directly next to Guangzhou. Actually, our metro goes right into Guangzhou, so we have easy access to a large city. And then across from that first bedroom is our second bedroom that actually has a bed. This is where guests stay or whatever. This is where we store everything in that closet over there. Pretty much nothing special. This was Julia's room while she stayed with us. Julia's my little cousin. Yep, pretty standard. And then here we have the, I guess, master bedroom, the biggest bedroom. It does not have an ensuite. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. So this is our king size bed, and it looks big. However, our daughter takes up 95% of the room. And we have this little thing we purchased here. We'll keep her clothes and her stuff, of course, separate from ours. Everybody has this iconic IKEA lamp. And over there is our closet. Standard, nothing big. And another humidifier. Gotta keep it clean, clean air. And that area right there next to the window. Ideally, that's where we would like to meditate and read books. But that thing hurt. Need some cushion. Yep, so that is our master bedroom. So that is our full apartment. Thank you guys for watching. Again, this is some more footage of what goes on at nighttime. It's like a little playground downstairs for all the kids. Anyways, thank you for watching our apartment tour, and comment below, how much do you think we pay for this apartment? Peace. Feed me.